Ladybugs, thank you for joining me in another video. As you can tell, this video is based on me cleaning the boom boom room. You guys have never seen this room before, but before we get started, let me introduce myself to those of you who have never seen me before. My name is Stacy, and I like to do all things home decor, room makeovers, DIYs. So if you like the contents of those videos, by no means necessary, please hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And to my love bugs and my ladybugs, thank you so much for joining me in another video. So again, like I said, you guys have never seen this room. It is a mess, yes. But I'm gonna tidy this room up, so let's get started. These are some of the items that was left over from the daycare, and she really need to go in the garbage, but I think my daughter probably could revive her. Husband always dropping off in here instead of taking it upstairs. And this bag here is the pajamas that we will be wearing for Christmas. This box here, my daughter had bought my grandbaby, her son, a racing car bed, and she had it delivered here because she be having long days, work and school, so she didn't want it to just sit outside of her house, so she had it delivered here. So somehow, some way, we will be getting this to her house. Over here is some more daycare stuff right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'll figure it out. And this stuff here, this was underneath my sink. These are cleaning supplies, and it was underneath my kitchen sink, but when you have a daycare, you cannot have that under your sink, so they allowed me to box it up and leave it in the garage with the garage door locked. This is a stroller for when we are out with grandbaby and he wants to go to sleep. He can walk, but when he wants to go to sleep, he can lay in there while we move around. What is that? I think that's a sewing machine right here that my daughter did not take home with her. She likes to sew her wigs. And these are some curtains from Amazon that I should have returned because I had purchased these for in the backyard. Over here, I'm sorry it's dark, guys. Over here is a toolbox underneath here, and this is all my husband's stuff that he used for around the house or whatever he needed for. So he needs to straighten that out. This is our refrigerator that was in the kitchen, and right now I'm storing some things for the dinner for Christmas. I have the snow crab legs, custards, lobster tails here, some shrimp, some flounder, and I have more, I think, shrimp in the refrigerator in the kitchen, and strawberries, and not a fruit platter, a vegetable platter, and we just got some drinks and juice and stuff, so that's what we're keeping in there. And we have some chicken. I just took that chicken out because we're gonna have chicken also for Christmas, and we got hot dogs, and we just broccoli down there. But yeah, we were supposed to have a deep freezer, but that's a whole nother story with Lowe's. So I just used our refrigerator that we had in the kitchen. Back here, there's some things that need to be straightened out, some cups, just stuff. So today I'm just gonna pretty much just straighten it out in order, but I plan to. Like, we got all of this on the table that I'm gonna get off. The bar has all of this open liquor that I need to find something to do with because I need to replenish my bar. So that's what that is looking like. So yeah, ladybugs, that's what I plan on doing today. Just straightening up, making it look decent. And I plan on later down the road, no time soon, but hopefully soon, I plan on taking the whole bar down and doing it over. I don't know. I haven't really figured it out yet, but I plan on doing this whole place over. So I'm not sure yet. But let me stop rambling and let me get this room in order. Okay. Y'all, I am making me a drink here. Ain't nothing like cleaning up with some nice music, a nice drink, and just getting in that vibe, being motivated. So that is what I'm doing right here at the bar, making me a nice drink. So y'all sit back and enjoy this video. Okay, love bugs, thank y'all so much for joining me in this video, and I hope that I was able to motivate someone to clean up their space, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. So yeah, thanks for joining me.